Hey guys, I just got my July Antipodean witch box, so let's get unboxing. Ooh, purple. So the first thing we've got is the pamphlet, which says 17th July, Whale Moon. So we'll leave this until the end and check that we've got everything in here. A piece of labradorite, fennel seeds, Australian native herb blend for courage, a piece of howlite. Oh, that is a very beautiful colour. Incense sticks. Blue lotus blossom. Two blue spell candles. I call this a candle. A blue and white marbled spell chalk. I feel like I probably said candle at the start because who knows why. Consecrated bath salts for courage. A tie, necktie, head tie. Not 100% sure exactly what it is or what it is used for, so I'm looking forward to the book being able to tell us, but it is very beautiful and very soft. Some cubes, dice, not totally sure, but they have runes and symbols on them. A piece of blue agate. A pentacle necklace. And the sigil for courage with the affirmation on the back. I am confident and courageous. I share the radiant light within me freely and bravely. So let's go through the pamphlet. So the almanac for July 2019 is 3rd of July is the new moon, the 9th of July is the first quarter, 17th of July is the full moon, the whale moon, and the 25th of July is the last quarter. So in this box, so it is a charmed tarot scarf. So it has different symbology on it, depending, I don't know which is mine. Ah, there we go. So it says it on here. La Roue de la Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune, an indicator of luck or destiny, and it is a major arcana signifier of change. The Wheel of Fortune also represents the ever-changing cycles we go through in life. Courage Sigil and Affirmation. Got that. Bursting Pentagram Pendant. Hand Dip Spell Candles. Divination Dice. And so it has all of the runes and symbols, how to read them as well. Consecrated bath salts for courage. Whale's Wisdom Incense. So it has notes of ethically produced synthetic ambergris and floral notes. Spell casting chalk. Once again, I hope I said chalk at the start. An Australian Native Courage Blend. A magical blend of native Australian flowers, seeds and herbs, including gumnuts, protea, banksia and more, enriched with essential oils. The Blue Lotus Blossom. Fennel seeds. Howlite. Labradorite. And blue agate. And then it also has the Whale Moon Courage Charm Ritual. And on the back we've got Deities of Light and Courage, and it also has a recipe for fennel seed shortbreads. And that's everything that I got in the July Antipodean Witch Box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!